Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to Barbara Bakes. This week I've got a fantastic little snack for you, a sweet snack. Not only is it a sweet snack, it's the ultimate sweet snack with a twist. It's the Keto chocolate chip cookie. It's easy to make, only a few ingredients, very quick, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So the first thing we're going to do is add our xanthan gum and our baking powder to your almond flour. Give it a stir, and we're just going to pop that to one side for later on. In our mixing bowl goes the melted butter. Add your erythritol, give that a little stir. Add your vanilla and your whole egg. And pour in your almond flour. How easy is this? And for the final ingredient, we're going to add our chocolate chips. Give that a good stir, and that's the dough for our Keto chocolate chip cookies. I've got a 4 centimetre scoop which I'm using for my cookies. It's an ice cream scoop, they're great. Or what you can do, you can roll them into a ball like that, pop that on your tray, and they will spread. So just be cautious of that. We've got a lovely batch of cookies here, so you will make quite a few cookies, and I'll let you know exactly how many I make in the description box. So there we have it. Our cookies are ready for the oven. They're on a baking mat, as you can see. I love baking cookies on a baking mat. They bake nice and even, but you could also use greaseproof paper if you don't have a baking mat. Okay, here they are. They're finished. Delicious keto and gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. I can't wait to try one. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, put your notifications on, and share this recipe with your friends. See you next time.